Are you looking to explore the world of Bitcoin mining, but unsure where to start? Today, I'll walk you through 5 legitimate Bitcoin mining apps that can help you earn passive income right from your devices. Discover how these platforms can turn your spare time into valuable cryptocurrencies. Let's dive in. The first Bitcoin mining app we're exploring is Pi Network, which you can find at minepi.com. Pi Network stands out as one of the most widely recognized applications for Bitcoin mining. Many users have reported earning substantial amounts, with some claiming to make over $900 from using various legitimate Bitcoin mining apps, including Pi Network itself. This app allows users to engage in cryptocurrency mining directly from their smartphones, whether they are using Android or iOS devices. What sets Pi Network apart is its claim to be less battery-intensive compared to other Bitcoin mining apps. The developers have optimized the app specifically for mobile devices, aiming to minimize the drain on battery life. This feature makes it more feasible for users to mine cryptocurrency continuously without significantly impacting their device's performance or battery longevity. Pi Network has gained immense popularity, boasting over 50 million downloads worldwide. It has become the go-to platform for many individuals interested in earning cryptocurrencies through passive means. Its widespread adoption and user base highlight its position as a leading app in the crypto earning sphere. To start earning at minepi.com, here are the steps. Step 1. Signing in and explore. To start mining Bitcoin through Pi Network, the initial step involves signing up with a Pi invite code, which is readily available on platforms like Reddit or across the internet. Step 2. Install and let it run in the background. Once you've installed the Pi Network app on your device and completed the sign-up process, you can leave the app running in the background. This setup allows the app to continuously mine cryptocurrency for you without needing constant attention or active engagement. As of the time of creating this video, the value of one Pi currency is approximately $37. Once you've accumulated Pi through mining, you have the option to trade it for Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies using exchanges like Bitmart. Pi Network boasts a robust and active community on Reddit, where users can engage in discussions, seek advice, and find solutions to any challenges they encounter while using the app. One of the key advantages of Pi Network is its global accessibility. It is available for use in any country worldwide, ensuring that users from diverse geographical locations can participate in Bitcoin mining through this platform. This accessibility contributes to its widespread popularity and adoption among cryptocurrency enthusiasts globally. The second app we're exploring for Bitcoin mining is the Coin app, which you can find at coinapp.co. This app offers a unique way to earn money passively by engaging in activities like exploring your local surroundings, completing surveys, and sharing data. It rewards users with cryptocurrency that can be converted into popular options such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Step 1. Compatibility and accessibility. What's convenient is that the Coin app is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, making it accessible to anyone with a smartphone. Step 2. Earning coin tokens. When using the Coin app, you accumulate its native token, coin, primarily through 2 methods: passive income from geomining as you move around your city, and by taking advantage of active offers, such as visiting designated stores or participating in specific activities. This dual earning approach ensures that users have multiple ways to accumulate rewards. Moreover, the flexibility to convert these coin tokens into various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, provides users with diverse options for managing their earnings effectively. The third app to Bitcoin mining is to use an extension for your PC device called the CryptoTab browser. Step 1. Visit the CryptoTab browser website. Go to CryptoTab, browser.site. Step 2. Download and install the CryptoTab browser. Extension CryptoTab is a browser that you can use on your PC device or on your phone device. CryptoTab has over 35 million users all around the world, and it provides a simple way to earn Bitcoin passively by just surfing the web. Choose the version suitable for your device, PC or mobile. Download the CryptoTab browser extension and install it on your device. Step 3. Setup and configuration. Follow the installation prompts to complete the setup. Once installed, open the CryptoTab browser. Step 4. Mining process. The CryptoTab browser extension will run in the background of your device. It uses your device's processing power to mine Bitcoins passively while you surf the web or use your device for other tasks. Step 5. Earning and withdrawal. As you use the browser, you will slowly accumulate Bitcoin earnings. You can withdraw your earnings once you reach the minimum withdrawal amount, which is around 50 cents worth of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Withdrawals can typically be taken directly to your Bitcoin wallet or another cryptocurrency wallet. Step 6. Maintenance and monitoring. Keep the CryptoTab browser extension updated to ensure optimal mining performance. Monitor your earnings and adjust your usage as needed to maximize your passive Bitcoin mining. Now, the fourth Bitcoin mining app on our list is the Cointoply app. It is a website that helps you to withdraw your earnings in the form of different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, LTC, etc. But the thing I never mentioned in those videos is that Cointoply actually has the Bitcoin faucet, where you can earn small amounts of Bitcoin every hour. So you basically spin a random number generator every hour, and it rolls a certain number. Then you get small amounts of Bitcoin, depending on what your roll is. Step 1. Signing up. Download or visit website. Explain how users can sign up by downloading the Cointoply app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or by visiting their website. Step 2. Registration. Process. Walk viewers through the registration process, which typically involves creating an account with an email address and setting up a password. Step 3. Earning opportunities. Bitcoin. Faucet. Highlight the Bitcoin faucet feature where users can earn small amounts of Bitcoin hourly by spinning a random number generator. Tasks and offers. Mention other ways to earn, such as completing tasks, watching videos, taking surveys, or participating in offers provided by Cointoply's partners. Now, the fifth app that you can use to earn Bitcoin is the Free Cash app. This isn't exactly like a mining website, but Free Cash is one of the best get-paid-to websites where you can get a free Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Here you can complete different surveys, install different apps, and play different games to earn money, which you can later use to exchange for Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency you want. Step 1. Sign up. Download the Free Cash app and create an account. Step 2. Earn rewards. Complete surveys, install apps, and play games to earn points. Step 3. Accumulate points. Points can be redeemed for Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Step 4. Redeem and exchange. Exchange points for Bitcoin within the app, or convert them to a currency that can be exchanged elsewhere. Step 5. Regular participation. Engage regularly to maximize earnings through available tasks and promotions. By following these steps, you can start earning Bitcoin using the Free Cash app. So today, we explored 5 apps for Bitcoin mining and earning cryptocurrencies. 1. Pi Network. Mine. PI cryptocurrency on your smartphone with low battery impact and a global user base. 2. Coin app. Earn crypto by exploring, answering surveys, and geo-mining locally on Android and iOS. 3. CryptoTab. Browser. Passively mine Bitcoin while browsing on PC or mobile, with easy withdrawals. 4. Cointoply app. Earn Bitcoin hourly through a faucet and withdraw in various cryptocurrencies. 5. Free Cash. App. Earn Bitcoin by completing surveys, installing apps, and playing games. Thanks for watching. Which Bitcoin mining app are you most excited to try? Comment below with your answer. Don't forget to subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on earning with cryptocurrencies, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video.